Hi, I'm very excited to present a new plugin, advanced mining system that will save you tons of work and months of your precious time. So let's dive straight into it.
The AMS gun consists of several components. The handle, for instance, is a skeletal mesh component, while the main body is a static mesh component. This design choice allows us to utilize nanite for enhanced performance and visual fidelity. When modeling, I took a conservative approach with skeletal meshes, keeping the triangle count low to optimize performance. However, for static meshes, knowing that nanite would be used, I found a balance between optimal game performance and visual quality. Currently, we are viewing the gun at nearly 10 times its normal scale. Any minor imperfections you notice here will not be visible from standard first-person perspective. The materials are carefully designed to look great under both indoor and outdoor lighting conditions. To facilitate testing, a basic inventory system has been implemented. When mining, ensure you are positioned correctly, not too close and not too far from the mineral. The system is configured to detect interactions only within the capsule components surrounding the minerals. Basic Niagara effects have been incorporated, keeping them lightweight to maximize performance. However, there is a noticeable FPS drop during explosions. This is due to the use of experimental plugin Niagara Fluids, which simulates a real explosion with impressive realism. It scales dynamically to the minerals, making it an efficient way to implement destruction effects. That said, you can replace it with a more performance-friendly alternative if needed. Additionally, a geometry collection component is spawned during explosions, which adds some computational overhead. Once the battery reaches 1%, the screen will no longer be accessible. Shortly after, it will fully deplete, turning off the emissive lighting on both the battery and the gun. The plugin also remembers values such as cartridge fuel levels and battery charge across the sessions. The mineral's respawn timer is stored in the permanent AMS save game system, ensuring that game data persists seamlessly. When loading the level, the spawn manager automatically handles object placement based on the location, requiring no manual intervention. An effortless drag-and-drop solution. More detailed documentation will be available in the upcoming video. The mineral remains on a respawn timer governed by a float value you define. Currently, there is an issue with the crosshair disappearing in the shipping build, but it should appear when an obstacle is detected. Despite this, the system correctly remembers all stored values. A basic wall collision system is included. Skipping this would have negatively impacted the final presentation, so I ensured that box collisions were strategically placed around the gun. These collisions trigger simple box trace calculations to detect obstacles. While there is a lot of underlying code handling this functionality, it's all included as a free resource for those interested. No complex matrix overrides are present in the C++ code, just straightforward box trace collision logic. Finally, here is a look at the AMS gun under direct sunlight from a first-person perspective. Now let's discuss what's included in this package. First, the C++ classes. I have set the icons to large for better visibility. The structure consists of simple animation notifies along with a parent AMS actor class that serves as the base for three key components: AMS battery, AMS cartridge, and AMS mineral. Additionally, several utility blueprints and functions are included to streamline development. A custom small battery animation is implemented to handle switch functionality. There is also an example of the AMS character class, as well as a structured data storage system containing all relevant structs and enums. Through the GameState class is minimal, primarily used for testing. It integrates with a custom AMS game instance subclass that runs additional code. The AMS gun class handles asynchronous data loading, while other essential animations and widgets are also included. The AMS Mineral FX data class is a lightweight structure for managing visual effects with a helper overlap function to aid in debugging. A custom player controller class is included, along with an important save game class, a subclass of the AMS game save, which ensures that all progress and settings persist across sessions. The AMS spawn manager is another crucial component, efficiently handling object spawns throughout the game world. Now let's explore the content assets. Battery animations are included along with character animation montages. Keep in mind that these animations are optimized for first-person perspective and may not look as refined in third-person view. Legacy assets are also present, although some thumbnail previews may not display it correctly. This is mainly in terms of the cam shakes. BP equivalents of data assets are available as well. The mineral system includes two parent classes, one for destructible examples and another for non-destructible examples. More variations are planned for the future updates, which will be available as optional expansions to the plugin. Additional assets, including field effects and geometry collections, are provided as well. This package delivers a comprehensive solution for anyone looking to integrate advanced weapon and mining mechanics into their Unreal Engine project.